Hi students, today in this session we are going to discuss the oxo acids of phosphorus. So in plus 1 and plus 2 there are so many oxo acids like oxo acids of phosphorus, oxo acids of sulfur and some oxides of nitrogen like this. So mostly students get confused to remember all these oxo acids. So here in this video I am giving you a small trick to remember the oxo acids of phosphorus. So clear? Now, so oxo acids of phosphorus mainly contains two series. The first series is called phosphorus acid series. Phosphorus acids. And the second series is phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid series. Phosphorus acid series, the second one phosphoric acid series. So phosphorus means here the oxidation state is generally less. Us means the oxidation state will be less. Phosphoric acid means the oxidation state will be more. See, in any compound, if the oxidation state is less, we can call it as us compounds. If the oxidation state is more, we can call it as ic compounds. Phosphorus, here it is phosphoric. Now let us go to the trick. So here we have to remember HMOP. HMOP means HM is observing pupil. HM is observing pupil. So headmaster observing the students. Pupil means students. So headmaster is observing the students. You have to remember this one. So if you remember this one, you can easily write all the phosphorus acids and also phosphoric acids. So the first one is, in case of phosphorus acid series, the first one is hypophosphorus acid and second one metaphosphorus acid, orthophosphorus acid and next one pyrophosphorus acid. So these are the phosphorus acid series. Okay, so hypo, meta, ortho, P stands for pyro. Now we have to remember the formulas of these compounds. So the first one is hypophosphorus acid. So hypophosphorus acid means H3PO2. So you have to increase the oxidation state. That means we have to increase the number of oxygens here. The content of oxygen goes on increases. So here HPO2. Next orthophosphorus acid, that is H3PO3. Next H4P2O5. So like this we are increasing the content of oxygens. So H3PO2, HPO2, H3PO3 and H4P2O5. Okay. So now you have to know the structure of these molecules. So here phosphorus valence is 5. The central atom is 5. Sorry, phosphorus. So the valence is 5. So phosphorus, it forms 5 bonds like this. So here H, H and OH like this. And next HPO2. Phosphorus, it forms double bond O and OH and remaining lone pair is there. So it forms 3 bonds and 1 lone pair is there. And H3PO3. Here P double bond O. Here OH, OH and H. And next H4P2O5. So in case of H4P2O5, it is called pyrophosphorus acid. So pyro means there should be a POP bond in any molecule. If it is pyro molecule, it should consist of POP bond. If it is oxyacids of sulfur, then it consists of SOS bond. Okay, clear? Pyro acids consists of POP bond. If it is oxyacid of sulfur, SOS bond will be there. Okay, you have to remember this one. So H4P2O5 means P O P and double bond O again double bond O, here OH, OH, H and H only. So here 4 hydrogens, 2 phosphorus and 5 oxygens are there. Okay. So these are the structures of these molecules. And now we have to find out the basicity of the acids. So basicity of the acids means the number of H plus ions it can donate. So here this hypophosphorus acid consists of one OH bond, So here this H plus can be easily donated by accepting this bond pair of electrons towards the oxygen. So here this can donate only this H plus ion, this hydrogen as H plus ion, but it cannot donate these 2 hydrogens as H plus ions because it is not present at the electronegative oxygen atom. Okay. So the acidity of the base or basicity of the acid, while we are calculating this one, so here these are acids means it has some basicity. So basicity of the acid means the number of H plus ions it can be donated. Okay. So here it can donate only one H plus ion. So the basicity of the acid is here 1 only. And next, in case of metaphosphorus acid, so here also it can donate only one H plus ion. So it is also 1. Here orthophosphorus acid means here it can donate 2 H plus ions. So here the basicity is 2. So in case of pyro, here also it can donate only 2 H plus ions. So it is also basicity 2. Okay. So these are the oxo acids of phosphorus, that is phosphorus acid series. Now we have to go through for phosphoric acid series. So phosphoric acid series. So the second series is phosphoric acid series. So in this phosphoric acid series, again we have to remember the same trick, HMOP. So same series is continued. So the first one is hypophosphoric acid, and second one metaphosphoric acid, orthophosphoric acid, and pyrophosphoric acid. So these are the ic acids, means these will exhibit higher oxidation states than the previous one. Okay. So now we have to remember the molecular formulas. So hypophosphorus acid. So here we are writing like this. So here hypophosphorus acid means H3PO2. So the series is continued with increasing oxygen atoms. So now we have to continue the series. Here pyrophosphorus acid means H4P2O5. Now we have to write H4P2O6. H4P2O6. The series is continued. H4P2O6. And next one, metaphosphoric acid. So here metaphosphorus acid means HPO2. Metaphosphoric acid means HPO3. One oxygen will be increased. So that is HPO3. Next, orthophosphorus acid means H3PO3. Phosphoric acid means H3PO4. So here H3PO4. And pyrophosphoric acid here. So here pyrophosphorus acid means H4P2O5. The next continues to 6. Here H4P2O7 will be there. Okay. So these are the molecular formulas. Now we have to remember the structures. So that is the first one, that is H4P2O6. So here 2 phosphorus are there, P double bond O, OH, OH and OH. Here it is hypo, that means we should not mention POP bond. So here directly PP bond will be there. There is no POP bond. If it is pyro only, we have to write POP bond. Okay. Next, metaphosphoric acid. So meta means P double bond O and OH, HPO3. Okay. Next, H3PO4, P double bond O, OH, OH and OH. So H3PO4. Next pyro. Here pyro means it should have POP bond. So pyrophosphoric acid, and that is P double bond O, OP double bond O, OH, OH, OH and OH. Okay, easy method. Now we have to go for basicity of the acid. Basicity of acid. So the first one, hypophosphoric acid, H4P2O6. Here it can donate 4 hydrogens as H plus ions. So that's why the basicity is 4. So here it can donate only 1 H plus ion. So here it is 1. Here it can donate 3 H plus ions. So it is 3. And here pyrophosphoric acid, it can donate 4 hydrogens as H plus ions. So that's why basicity is 4. Okay. So here, so all these exhibits lower oxidation states when compared with phosphoric acid series. Okay. Next, so here one more example is there, that is oxoacid peroxyphosphoric acid. Peroxyphosphoric acid is there. So this is special case because it is peroxy bond, it consists of some peroxy bond. So the example, that is H3PO5. So here H3PO5 means peroxyphosphoric acid. Here it is phosphoric acid, orthophosphoric acid is there. Orthophosphoric acid means H3PO4. We have to increase one oxygen. So the oxygen content is increasing. So H3PO4 and H3PO5. So here it exhibits peroxy bond. It consists of one peroxy bond. So that's why we have to write the structure like this. So you have to repeat this structure with simple modification. That is the peroxy bond. Here one peroxy bond is there. Peroxy bond means that is OO bond. Peroxy bond means OO bond. So this consists of some OO bond. So here it is the peroxy bond, OOH. So this is the structure of peroxyphosphoric acid. So here what is the basicity here? So here also it can donate 3 H plus ions. So that's why the basicity is 3 here. Okay. So here this one is the peroxy acid. Now how can we remember which one is the peroxy acid, which one is the normal acid? So we should not know whether it is peroxy acid or normal acid. So in order to identify the given acid is whether peroxy acid or normal acid, here also we have a small trick. We will discuss in the next video. So okay, you have to remember this one, HMOP. HMOP means headmaster observing people. Headmaster observing people. So that is HMOP. If you remember this one, you can easily understand all these. You can easily remember all these points. Okay, thank you. Like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Please comment me on comment box. Thank you.